Look at that.
Have dinner here, like camping.
Camping?
No, we're just going to have a chill here, so we can have a day off. Yeah.
And then later we're gonna fly your kite. Look, the wind is here. Pa, get the kite. So, ito ang aming Sisaket Lake. Ayan, dito kami nagloy katong and look at that sunshine. Ayan. So, ito, nakabili kami ng bagong picnic set or camping set. At ayan si Bagi, nagsiset up na ng aming mahiwagang bangko. Spread it up, Faye, spread it. No, you have to spread it, Con. Spread. Or else, masira yung ano. Okay.
Tita, my dear.
Spread it out.
My two princesses. Sit down with your booty. Spread with your booty. Okay.
Yan. Wow, nang sabay, Mac. How's the weather this time? Time check. What time is it, ate? Let's see, what time is it?
It just passed 5.
Past 5. Is it hot?
No.
No, it's not hot. It's windy and the wind is cold.
The sun is hot.
Ayun, tama-tama dito, masarap. Kaya dito muna kami magpapalipas ng aming hapon. Next time, magdadala tayo ng bicycle, ano? And then, ayan. And grill! Cannot, anak! We cannot cook! Ambisyosa si ate. Gusto niyang grill. Faye, help daddy there! The stuffs are, flying. Ayan. Ito yung nabili namin sa Macro kahapon. Na-amaze kami. So, anong ginawa namin? Sabi nila, kailangan daw namin naka-register dun sa Macro na may card. Para daw makuha namin yung discount. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-discount. Nag-register.
Oh, so that means we're gonna get the long paper?
Yeah, still a long paper, not the malapad one. No. No. So, ayan. Makikita niyo yung aming magic table.
Magic?
Yes, it's magic. At very handy siya kasi lahat ng kanyang parts ay may may tangkay. Very, very nice for camping. Pero this time, lang kami. Chill lang.
And this is the place that they chose.
And ate, what is in your hair? Let's see nga, ano yan? Ano yan?
Yeah.
Ito yung pinaka-bonding namin ngayong Saturday.
I forgot to bring Froggy!
You took out Froggy. Ayan, oh. Ate, anong bitbit mo? Oh, di ba? Sisipag ng aking mga magsiset up. Oh. Some snacks, some drinks. At ayun, Faye, look at daddy, oh. Yay! Ayan, yan talaga yung pinunta namin dito, eh. Magkakite daw siya. Ate, what is the special thing that you brought? That you charged it a while ago? Alin yun? The black thingy. Anak, here ka na lang. Up here. Baka mahulog ka dyan. Dun. Oh, ayan. Ito na yung second set. So, yung second set, of course.
Just the same thing as the first set. And I
so
bought
this
some
time,
jump ropes.
Oh, ayan. Si jump rope.
And whatever this is. When did you bring the jump rope?
Ate will practice jumping rope. Kasi pag landing niya. Yun, ate, pick it up. Pick them up. Oh, see? Oh, ayan na. Ang aming second set. 2 upuan. And hindi pa ba sira yan? Ayan.
And one more special thing.
Family picnic. Ay, pwede. O, diba? Tapos, ito yung mga stuffs namin. Daddy, open. Ano yung mga binitbit mo?
Well, you're not bringing out the table?
Wow! O, diba? Tapos ito yung food namin. Tapos may ano dyan, may pasabog na kape si Bagi. Faye, run! Run!
Table set.
Let ate hold it first and then run. Baligtad kasi anak. It's upside down. O, diba? Marami kayong pwedeng gawin. O, ayan. Ang aming table set up. Tada! Oh, nice! Ayan.
Guys, just showing off.
O, ayan. Tingnan natin ang magic niyan.
Oh my God, Mommy, I want a bike.
I knew you didn't bring your bicycle. Oh, help Ate Faye. I help Daddy Faye.
Daddy, wrong side.
Yes, Daddy's fixing the locks.
What? Over here.
Ah, this is so comfortable. I don't even have to do anything.
You're not helping.
Gutom na ako. Nagutom ako. Nakita ko lang ang lamesa. Nagutom na ako. Ayan. See? We got it like 1 table and 2 folding chairs. 1 folding table and 2 folding chairs for only 699 baht. Oh,
Wait,
na-sponsor na ako. I think it's just right, anak. Oh, ayan. Oh, diba?
actually, you can move it and
Yes.
then,
So, dalawang sets yung binili namin.
So we're gonna bring out the second.
oh,
So, we have 2 tables and 2 chairs. Yay!
Bring out the second. See ya, Daddy.
Oh, by the way, ayan pala. Andito lang kami sa Sisaket Tower. Sa baba. Sana bigyan nila ito ng ano, no? Ng what do you call this?
Why does it look like you can't even go up there?
Ayan, no? Andyan dito lang kami. Sana pwede ding mag-camping dito, no, ate? It's a nice one. Wow! Yan na, yan na, yan na. Wow! Yun! So this is our chillax.
Just sinasang na.
Parang dadayo lang tayo ng kain.
what's wrong?
Nakagat ng guyam.
What's William?
Ate, when you win in our rock, paper, scissors, 5 wins, we will eat.
Hey.
Okay? Do you like?
I'm bad at rock, paper, scissors.
No, you don't have the the results yet. Alalaw.
Bad at that.
Ah, mami.
Closer. Do that. 5 wins na.
Wait.
Deal is, pag nanalo siya ng rock, paper, scissors, 5 wins.
If I win rock, paper, scissors, we're gonna eat.
Yeah, kasi kanina pa siya daw gutom.
Best of 9.
Oh, best of 9. Okay.
10!
Best of 9.
9 lang.
10.
Okay, ready? Feifei, you're the scorer, okay? No, ang dami lang.
Oh, the scorer is eating.
Not fair.
I win. I suck.
Okay, round 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Shoot! What, win 1?
Ate.
Okay.
Ate,
Rock,
got one.
paper, scissors, shoot!
1-1.
I told you I suck.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! 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 2 wins. Okay. Rock,
Our
paper,
dinner is
scissors, shoot!
on the line, ate. 3-1.
3-1.
He's on the line.
Paper, scissors, shoot! Shoot!
I always
3-2.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, 4 wins na kay ate.
Last one, last one.
Last one, hungry na daw siya. Dito nakataya ang kanyang pagkain. Last one for ate. I got only 2 wins.
So at least you
Okay.
got 5 left.
Okay, ate.
If I got 5, then later pang ating dinner. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Dinner time! Dinner time!
That's the face of the winner.
Dinner time!
How about me and Ate?
Why are you excited pagka sa dinner? Anong meron?
Ate, can I fall in soup and then we can have dinner?
No! Cheating! I already go dinner. I already won. When did I pay? Ate already won. Ate will have, what do you call that? Ano yun? Oil? Ano nga yung oil, Ladi?
Chili oil.
Yeah, chili oil. With her ulam. If she win or lose.
Lose.
Lose? You don't like the chili oil? You love chili oil.
If I win, I get ketchup.
Okay.
Ah.
Did you bring ketchup?
Did you bring?
No.
Ano?
Diba I told you to ano?
You told Daddy to bring
Okay.
ketchup.
If you lose,
Ayun, chili.
if you lose, you got chili oil.
If I win,
If you win, no chili oil. Okay, ready, Faye?
where you didn't bring the ketchup?
Okay,
Faye
Faye.
versus Ate.
So what if she win?
If she wins, then you lose. What do you like?
What?
You're gonna have some juice.
Yes.
Hey, how about me?
If I
Yun nga, chili oil
If I
nga
won.
sa'yo.
If I won.
If you win, you're gonna
If I
have...
lose,
Can I get juice?
If
No.
you lose...
No juice.
Why? If you lose, chili oil. If you win, no chili oil. No, yeah.
Pinatatagalin nyo. Mag-umpisa na kayo.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh. Ah.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot. Shoot.
Ate, ano yun? May ganun. Ano yun?
Ano yung nanduduro ka?
Dalawa. May die. Ani, may die na?
Hey, not too fair.
Rock. Ano yan? Ay, no. True na. Kasi, it's invalid yun sa'yo. So, she's the winner. Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock,
Bagal ang
paper,
score.
scissors, shoot.
Ah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, man.
I told you I suck at rock, paper, scissors.
You're gonna have chili oil.
Yay.
Aloy na?
Aha.
Wait,
Ayaw.
what did she say?
And you have
Juice.
orange juice.
I want juice.
I thought I'll get the grape juice.
Okay.
Okay, grape juice.
I want juice.
You want juice? The orange juice for you.